Welcome to our video on modern living room floor tiles designs. Whether you are looking to freshen up your living room space or remodel it, adding sumptuous tile designs to your floor is the perfect way to bring a modern touch to your room. This video will discuss different tile design options, the benefits of adding tile to your living room floor, and how to choose suitable tiles for your room. We will also be looking at how to install the tiles, the cost of adding tile to your living room floor, and how to take care of your tiles. So if you are looking for a new way to revamp your living room, this video is for you. You are also going to get information about the best tile materials and how to customize the design to make your living room unique. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks on modern living room floor tiles designs. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in and explore modern living room floor tile designs. Modern floor tiles designs for your living room, tips and ideas. 1. Hexagonal marble tiles. Hexagonal marble tiles are a beautiful addition to any living room, adding a touch of sophistication and elegance to the room. They are a great way to add texture and interest to the room, and their unique shape can bring some character to a space. Also, marble tiles are incredibly durable, making them an excellent choice for high-traffic areas. With the proper care, you will be able to appreciate their beauty for many years to come. They are also available in various colors, from light gray to deep black, allowing you to find the perfect shade to match your decor. Whether you use them as an accent wall or to cover an entire room, hexagonal marble tiles are sure to add a touch of timeless beauty to your living room. 2. Wood-look porcelain tiles. Wood-look porcelain tiles are becoming increasingly popular for use in the living room. They provide a warm, natural feel that can be enhanced with the right decor. They are also an excellent choice for those who want a modern, contemporary look in their living room. With their unique texture and natural tones, these tiles can create a unique and inviting atmosphere that makes the living room a special place for relaxing and entertaining. In addition, wood-look porcelain tiles are an excellent choice for those who want to keep their living room fresh and up to date. For a truly unique and stylish look, wood-look porcelain tiles can be combined with other materials, such as stone, to create an exciting and modern look. With their versatility and easy maintenance, wood-look porcelain tiles are a great option for those looking to give their living room a modern and sophisticated look. 3. Geometric pattern tile. Geometric pattern tile is a great way to bring a modern and stylish look to any living room. By combining bold colors and interesting shapes, these tiles create a unique and eye-catching focal point that draws attention and creates a conversation piece. The versatile nature of these tiles means they can be used to create a traditional or contemporary look, depending on the colors and patterns chosen. Geometric pattern tiles can easily add a stylish and modern touch to any living space. 4. Metallic tiles. Metallic tiles can be a great way to add a modern and luxurious touch to your living room. These tiles can add a sense of elegance and style to the space and can be used to create stunning feature walls, as an accent around the fireplace, or as a backsplash. Metallic tiles are also highly durable and easy to clean, making them an excellent choice for high-traffic zones. 5. Concrete look tiles. Concrete look tiles can be a great way to add a modern and fashionable appearance to your living room. They are available in various colors and textures, so you can find the perfect one to fit your aesthetic. Not only are they durable and long-lasting, but they also provide a unique and sophisticated look to your space. Concrete look tiles' contemporary appeal can bring a modern touch to any living room. Outro. We hope you enjoyed our video on modern living room floor tiles designs. We hope it motivates you to create your unique modern living room floor. You can choose from many options, so make sure to explore all the options to find the perfect fit for your home. Remember to have fun and be creative when designing your living room. With the right floor tiles, you can create a beautiful and modern living space that you and your family can enjoy for years to come. If you have any questions or comments about modern living room floor tiles designs, please leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear what you think. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.